Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina, and what I have here is another date night basket. This one's for the fellas. So ladies, make sure you get that gift basket for the fellas. It is leap year. I've included in this basket the men's power wash, as well as some body massage oil, the Dove men's cream, the Bali charcoal soap, bath steamers, box of pecan clusters, chocolate covered cherries, some popcorn, the date night spin wheel, and I've topped it with a sign that says "You are my person." I've also put our brown plush bear in this basket. This is a great basket for the fellas. I went with red. And to keep it from being too feminine, I decided to go with a burlap bow on this basket. I used shrink wrap, placed the bow on the top, and I put a small red bow in the center. I think this basket turned out beautifully. Tell me what you think. Make sure you leave a comment below. And this is a pretty big basket, y'all. It's a very good sized basket, so tell me what you think I should price this at. I have a price in mind, but I'm just wondering what you think. And here are some pictures of it. Thank you for subscribing. If you have already subscribed, if you have not, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. Thank you all for tuning in to the Crafty Corner. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, be blessed and be a blessing. Bye-bye.